A star profile page. Today we shall be profiling Frederick Leonard. We know about this very handsome and sexy actor in Nigeria. Nnaemeka Leonard is a Nigerian actor who won the award for Best Supporting Actor in a movie at the Golden Icons Academy Movie Awards in 2014, and in 2016 he won the City People Movie Award for the Best Supporting Actor of the Year at City People Entertainment Awards. He was born on the 1st of May 1976 and in Anambra State in Nigeria, where he attended the Kaduna Polytechnic as an actor. From 2001, he has been acting till present date. He is a born Igbo and the first child of his foster parents, and he received his primary education in St. Peter's Anglican Primary School, Alausa, Ikeja in Lagos State, and attended the Oregon High School in Oregon for his secondary education. And in a bid to obtain a BSc degree, he relocated to Kaduna Polytechnic, where he was accepted and eventually where he graduated with a BSc degree in biochemistry. Leonard debuted his career into the Nigerian industry movie in 2001, where he played brief one-scene roles and took a break from acting almost immediately as he debuted in order to complete his university education to obtain a degree. Upon completion of his study, he returned to the Nigerian movie industry and obtained the first ever role lead in movie titled Indian Doctor in 2009. He ventured into the Nigerian TV soap opera series and featured in a TV series titled Disclosure, which was aired predominantly on African Magic and on DSTV. He debuted his career with a movie titled Grey, and subsequently in 2019, he produced a movie titled Void. He is an orphan, and often he speaks publicly about the devastating impact of losing both parents, especially the death of his mother, which he describes as an unfortunate incident that has created a void in his life, and being grown by foster parents has not been easy. On an interview, he describes himself as an introvert and not the party type, and also revealed that he doesn't drink nor smoke and maintains a small circle of friends and family. We know about this fine boy, Frederick Leonard. He has had interesting movies, and we can say that he is becoming ladies' choice, ladies' crush, and for a very long time we have seen how he has slowly worked his way into the movie industry, looking so great. From looking just so tender and very, very slim, now he looks chubby, looks very fresh, and we can say that indeed entertainment pays. Frederick Leonard, from an outstanding smile, has always had a wonderful personality when it comes to movie. His charisma, his swag, the way he talks, his dress codes and everything. You see a lot of uniqueness in whatever he does, and we say that what a fine boy with lots of skills, lot of talents, and we say that you keep growing to another level. We say congratulations to you. I, for one, am a very big fan of your movies. Anything as concerns Frederick Leonard, now for day I could die. And I tell you that Frederick Leonard is an example for others to follow, because you hardly see a star that is an introvert, that has a private life, especially the social private life, but he says that he's a very quiet person and with a little circle of friends and family. We'll be right back to take on new releases. Stay with us.